Hello guys, this is Shrikant from Web2Any team, and today we will going through the process of configuring the Web2Any application. This application allows you to create a forms which will save result into the Salesforce for a particular objects including custom one. Through this video, I am going to show you how to set up Web2Any for a contact object, as you can do it for a custom and standard one also, but for the demo purpose, I am considering contact as a target object. To make sure your website users can submit their details without actually logging into the Salesforce and by using simple HTML forms. Before we start, I am considering we have installed it Web2Any package from AppExchange and configured Force.com site for your Salesforce organization. If you don't know how to install a package and configure Force.com sites, feel free to contact our team will place to guide you on this basis. The contact details mentioned in describe section. So let's start with how to configuration step by step. So start step by step, and I promise it much easier than you guess. Before starting the configuration, let's see how we can see the force.com site is configured for your instance or not. So for that you have to go to quick search, type site, the site, and you can see all your configured site for your instance in one place. There is a contact creator is a site configured for my demo instance. So let's start with the configuration for a contact object. For this you have to go to quick search again, type installed package. The window is open which will show you all packages installed on your organization. So we go for the Web2Any, click configure. This is the configuration wizard for Web2Any. As you see, this list is show all the force.com site configured for your instance. For the demo purpose, we have only one site, that is a contact creator. I am selecting this. Click next. This list show all your configurations for the Web2Any. You can configure different configurations for the same object for a different sites or different form. You can create a different forms for a same object. For example, I have a contact configuration already, so but I want to create a new configuration with a different fields, or I want to create a new form with a different fields. So I just have to click on new contact configuration partner. For example, this is for the contact information of your partner, and the previous one is for the customer. So I am going to select the contact object. The default owner, that is the owner of record it's created, I am selecting it shows all the records, and this show is a default record creator. As I am selecting demo user, this is the active checkbox, so that this configuration is active and user is able to add or use your forms from your website. Track the exception is the, as we thought, to ensure that there is no user data loss on the exception. So by enabling this exception or any exceptions occurred executing web to service will be tracked in the Web2Any exception with the user data. I'm enabling this, save. As you see, the new record is created, configuration. So now I'm starting with create a form for my website. So create a form, I'm click create form. This shows all the fields for the contact. I pick some of fields from the list which I want to show on my form. So yep, done. I selected full fields. You can reorder that fields as per your convenient. Click next. In this step, you can configure the default values for your records created using this configuration. For example, this is the partner, so I guess I want to lead source, it's web or partner referral. So you can identify the contact is created from the partner referral, or this may be used anywhere for reporting purpose or listing the records which are created from your websites, from the different websites or from the different configuration. You can add as much as the default values for it. So if you are using a uh, multi-language portals, you can specify the language for the different portals in different forms and different configuration. This is success URLs and failure URLs. That is, whenever if record is created successfully into the Salesforce, your website visitor will redirect to the successful URL. And if there is an exception occurred while entering the data or recording or tracking the data into the Salesforce, failure record URL which user will redirect on the exception. So for demo purpose, I am using the same site, that is a demo site. For both, but you can use a different one if you like. And you are done. You just have to generate a HTML file. Application will create a HTML for you. That's one. This is all encrypted, so we are take care of your security purpose. You just have to download the file, and here is your form. That is HTML, and you can use it is total HTML code, so you can use it on your application or existing form or new form. So let's test it. As you see, all the picklist values configured for your Salesforce instance will auto-populated into the drop-down list. As you see, this is a local address for my computer. I am creating record for myself also. Uh, and I am submitting the data. Let's see what happened. Okay, the user is successfully redirected to the successful URL, and let's check if record is created into the Salesforce. So I'm going to contact. I filter out this by using new this week, so I can get. Okay, here is that the account is created or record is created for the contact from the details which was I passed from the website. As you see, the Mr. Shrikant Bagal, its owner is a demo user that we were selected. The email address that's passed from, and here is the default values which we specified while configuration this contact things. So it's successfully configured. Congrats guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and feel free to contact us.